Hey there campers, welcome back. Mike Sampson of Strawhead Adventures, and today we're going around the 26BH by Starcraft in their Autumn Ridge. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright campers, welcome back, and today we're going to be talking about this awesome Starcraft Autumn Ridge. This is going to be the 26 BHS. Now, this guy is another non-slide bunkhouse. We're going to be at 4,840 pounds unloaded. We're going to have a total length of 29.6, height of 10.7, and we'll have 42 fresh, 39 gray, and 39 black. This will sleep up to 10. This is a tandem axle with a large pass-through down over here. And as we come to the front side, you'll see two 30-pound propane tanks, the power tongue jack, 2 5/16 coupler. Have a nice large awning on this. Not sure the exact measurements, but I can get that for us. And then as we head inside, on these nice solid steps, you'll see it right as we walk in. We're going to have our kitchen with a 3-burner stove and oven. Nice large sink, jackknife sofa, storage up top, microwave, nice large 12-volt refrigerator. Across from your kitchen, you'll have your dinette with storage, Bluetooth stereo system. In the back here, you're going to have the nice large bunks. Across from that, you'll have your medicine cabinet and also sink for outside your bathroom. So you can have nice large shower with a tub. Show you the inside of the fridge now. Like I said, a nice large 12-volt refrigerator. Tons of storage on the doors and in the fridge and freezer for those longer trips. As we head back to the front, you're going to see a nice decorative mirror they've threw in there. But we'll go into the separate bedroom. So you'll have your wardrobe, over the bed storage, your solar control panel, TV prep in here as well. Under the bed storage, as well as your pass-through storage. One of the things I love about this camper is the sliding barn door. And that'll give you some privacy in this main cabin bedroom up front. One more pass-through. And there you have it, campers. This is going to be the Starcraft Autumn Ridge 26BH. This will be a non-slide bunkhouse. It'll sleep up to 10 people. If this is something that interests you, check us out at cortlandrv.com. I'm Mike, and you can catch me in my email at mike@cortlandrv.com. And I will see you in the next one.